Éphémère, which is an adjective in French, means ephemeral, short-lived, or fleeting. Éphémère means ephemeral or short-lived. It describes something that lasts for a very short time, often used to refer to things such as fleeting moments, temporary experiences, or transient beauty. Here are a couple of examples of éphémère being used in a sentence. You could say, Cette fleur éphémère ne dure qu'une journée. This ephemeral flower only lasts for a day. L'éphémère beauté du coucher de soleil nous rappelle la fugacité de la vie. And also, fugacité is a synonym of éphémère. So this means the ephemeral beauty of the sunset reminds us of the fleeting nature of life. The third one is Les moments éphémères sont parfois les plus précieux. Ephemeral moments are sometimes the most precious. Et la popularité sur les réseaux sociaux est souvent éphémère. Popularity on social media is often ephemeral or fleeting or short-lived. So here are a couple of synonyms of the word. You could say fugace, which is fleeting or passing, passager, which is temporary, caduc, which is transient or ephemeral, temporaire, which is temporary or momentary. Thanks for joining us for this video of Francophile Phonics, and see you next.